Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn Greek drama, tragedy, and the human condition together, step by step. Greek tragedy follows a noble figure whose greatness is undone by a single deep flaw. We call that flaw hamartia, and the most common version is hubris. Pride so swollen the hero stops listening to gods, friends, or sense. The downfall feels earned, because the hero chose it, yet it also breaks our hearts. That tension is the engine of tragedy. Aristotle said tragedy gives us catharsis, a cleansing rush of pity and fear that leaves us strangely lighter. We pity the hero and fear we might fall the same way. Watching the action is the chorus, a group that sings, questions, and warns. Think of the chorus as the community's voice. It reacts as we would, guiding our feelings through the storm on stage. Picture a ruler who declares no law can bind him. A wise elder warns him to soften, but his pride dismisses the advice as weakness. That blindness is hubris in action. The hero cannot see the truth standing right in front of him. Trace this pattern in any Greek play, and you'll predict the downfall long before the hero does. Greek tragedy loves dramatic irony, where the audience knows a truth the hero does not. When a hero vows to hunt down the guilty one, we already sense he is chasing himself. Every confident line tightens the knot. That gap between what we know and what he knows fills the theater with dread, and it makes the final discovery land like a thunderclap. Lock these four terms in, and Greek drama opens up. Hamartia is the fatal flaw. Hubris is the pride that often is that flaw. Catharsis is the emotional release we feel as the hero falls. And the chorus is the community voice guiding our reactions. Keep this vocabulary close, and you'll read Oedipus or Antigone like an insider instead of an outsider. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.